first time they're trying watermelon. What do you think? They will prefer watermelon or cucumber? Katie is the first one to give it a go. I'm sure Merlin will try it too. Let's see. But watermelon is very refreshing, not only for human, also for budgies, especially on a hot day. It's so cute. They're both sneaking around, and one goes away, the other one comes. But both are curious and they really like it. This is a few days later. Here I actually offer them both, cucumber and watermelon. As you can see, I actually don't cut the fruit into small pieces. I think it's good if they actually have to do some work, and they actually really appreciate it. Must admit, on this day they actually ate more cucumber than watermelon. Love watching them. Look how Merlin bites the cucumber and really enjoys each piece. I think on a hot day, a part of a bath, also it's important to offer them fresh fruit or veggies. I actually don't want to disturb as much. That's why I'm not doing much talking. I just like to see them and listen to the noises they make when they're eating. Don't you? Give it a go and offer your budgies fresh fruit and veggies. I'm sure they will like it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.